morning, good afternoon, good evening. Tamir Fibonacci-Traders here. How are you this morning? How are you from wherever you are in the world? Let me know where you are in the world. Hi Avishai, not shy, Avishai, Avi, thank you very much. Don't get too addicted. Hi Ingrid, good morning to you too. How is everybody this morning? Yerushalmi, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. This is how we start the day. Jima. Let's talk about Jima. Jima or Jumaya? Jumaya, right? Jumaya, what do you see? First, how do you like this here? This pop here. Thank you very much, Yerushalmi. Good morning, Samsung. Hey, Nancy. Long time no see. How are you? Orin, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Zorik, nice to see you here. Ariel, hi, Dror. So, Jumaya for Yerushalmi. As you can see, no need to break your head. Just put the FTI in your chart, one click away. What do you see? You don't even need the trend lines. Why? Because with this new addition, you have, first you have all the levels, then you have the sell signal, then you have this red line, and then you have this table over here. Bearish on all time frames, on the 65 minutes, and the 4 hours, this is 240 minutes. So it's 4 hours, bearish, daily bearish, weekly bearish. What does it mean? Bearish. No need to break your head. Take Fibonacci to the downside and it will give you all future support to the downside. That's it. Make your life super easy. Just like that. Adjusted, not adjusted, doesn't really matter. Let me just do it like here. Now it's much better. As you can see, 470 is the next support. Below it, 378 and 260. So this is Jumaya. Let's take a look. SPY pre-market 0.4 to the upside. QQQ 0.46. IWM 0.56. Dow Jones for now is up 0.41. Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. 4 hours. Moving sideways. As you can see, uptrend. Bullish sentiment on all time frames. I like to look at the 4 hours chart on Bitcoin. More than the daily. I like to look at the 4 hours and the 2 hours. It gives me a better perspective and a better point of view of Bitcoin. For now, we are in an uptrend. Bullish sentiment on all time frames. What else do we have? Hi, say hi, don't be shy, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Mira, we just talked about Bitcoin. Apple, we will talk about. Hi Amir, good morning. You want, is it hi, good morning, or hi, let's talk about GM? Let me know. Hi Amit. Hi Faiz. CCL for Amit. CGC, what's your thoughts? You don't see the screen? Why you don't see the screen? Which screen you don't see? Draw, which screen you don't see? You sure? Someone else has this problem? Zorik wants Tesla and MPWR. Let's talk about MPWR. MPWR. What do you see? We have trend lines, right? Samsung, thank you very much. I do appreciate this amazing super chat. What are your thoughts, ladies and gentlemen, on this? I don't know, it's emoji? What is it? Now it's good, Roar. Thank you very much. Good to know. We are still above this trend line on MPWR, but mixed signals 4 hours bullish, daily bearish, weekly bearish. If you want to go long, weekly close, don't forget, Friday market is closed. So don't forget, it's today and tomorrow, that's it. 694 from support. Now it will become resistance. Breaking below this one, and you will see all these red levels to the downside all the way, in my opinion, 555. How do you say in Hebrew 555? You know it. What else? Apple. Apple. Once again, this table over here on the right side, right corner over here, shows you everything. Bearish on all time frames. This 169 needs to hold, otherwise 164, 156, and don't forget you have the 146 gap over here. Needs to get filled. This is my opinion on Apple. And for those who don't know, every day, now I will show you. If you subscribe to my channel, the Fibonacci-Traders channel, your path to financial freedom. Every day, 7:30 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern time, New York time, I post 2 videos, one in English, one in Hebrew, trading day recap. I go over all the Magnificent 7, the SPY, the Qs, the IWM, Dow Jones, Bitcoin, selected ETFs, of course all the Magnificent 7 and more. So make sure you hit the subscribe, you hit the like, and most importantly, the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And of course you have the playlist over here, which in my opinion, the most important one is the Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. It's free. Free, free, free. So if you're looking to become a better trader, what's with all these commercials? So if you're looking to become a better trader, you have here for now 39 videos. Hopefully in this coming long weekend, more videos will come up. You have 39 videos on everything and anything that you want to become a better trader. 39 videos. So start there. They all are in English, but you have also Hebrew subtitles. So this is the Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. Now let's see about what are the futures telling us. For now, downtrend, but we are in a bullish sentiment on the 60 minutes and the 4 hours daily, weekly. Of course, if we zoom in, you can see we are on bearish sentiment on the 30 minutes. Overall, this blue area is a very tough resistance area. It helps us to identify the lower highs, and we also have lower lows over here. Let's see a break above the 52.34 and then going towards the 52.42, 52.43. 2 more days for this very, very unhealthy price action throughout March. Super unhealthy. Look at this. 1 candle up, 3 candles down. Sideways move. Let's see. Next month, April, May and June, second quarter of 2024 is already here. What else? CCL, CGC. CCL, looking good. From the last time I've checked, pretty good, holding above the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation above the 1770 and you will see 1905. CGC, I've posted this morning on MJ and MSOS, the cannabis ETFs. CGC, holding above the yellow zone. Let's see if this time, as opposed from the last time, during December, can CGC break up above the 820, and then we will see a run towards 1160. Let's put an alert over here. What else do we have? CVNA. 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 Every day. Higher high, but the closing, I don't like this closing. It's doji after doji, 4 consecutive dojis. Something needs to give. If bulls will give up, we will see 80 and maybe 77 to the downside. If bears will give up, we are still in an uptrend. But this kind of an uptrend, I don't really like it. Because you have so many dojis, it means bears are giving great fight for the bulls. So let's see who will give up. Breaking above the 94, 100 and 107 are your next resistance for future price action. STLR, STRL, Sterling Infrastructures. What do we see? Sideways move, holding above the yellow zone. You have a gap over here. Be careful below the 103. This gap will get filled. Long continuation above 116. And then you have 122 and 130 to the upside. What is all time frames? Except the 65 minutes. But the 4 hours daily, weekly, bullish sentiment. Your stop should be just below the 108. And of course, this is only my opinion. You do your own due diligence. It's your money. Amir, good morning. Hi, Mookie Mookie. PLTR, Palantir. What's with Palantir? Sideways move. As you can see, this yellow zone, super tough resistance. Long continuation only above. I want to see a weekly close above the 25.75. Otherwise, this area needs to be your stop loss, the 22.90. Below it, we are heading to the 17.90 gap over here. If you're a pattern trader, you can clearly see that we have what might be this pattern. So if you're a pattern trader, Fibonacci traders, we don't trade patterns because patterns are not reliable. They don't work. They just don't. Follow price. If you want, you can use the FTI. If you want, you can use Fibonacci like this. And as you can see, all the levels to the upside, to the downside. And as you can see, Fibonacci gives you everything that you need all the way. Even it helps you identify gaps. You see, everything is Fibonacci. You don't believe me? Don't. Perfectly fine. Do your own research. Same as I did in my first 2 years of learning and studying price action, and it took me 2 years until I became a professional trader, until I came to the knowledge that all these indicators, everything here, gives you nothing. If you use one of these indicators, it's like driving the car and looking in the mirror to the back. But you're going to the front, right? You're going forward. You don't go backwards. You go forward. So why look at the back? Fibonacci gives you everything. Look at here. PLTR, let's take one candle. On PLTR, monthly candle, let's take this one for example. Now you can see that Fibonacci gives you everything that you need for future price action. Now go to the daily. Look at this. From one candle, when was it? Which candle was it? Here. Which candle was it? This candle, right? This candle over here. August, November of 2021. One candle 3 years ago gave us all the support and resistance until today. What does it mean? Price follows Fibonacci. And if you want to learn Fibonacci in-depth candlestick analysis with Fibonacci and trend lines, become your own indicator, stop following others to tell you what to do, where to buy, what to buy. Look how perfect this is. Look, amazing. Check the links in the description below. You have everything in English and in Hebrew. Choose your language. This is PLTR. Can we talk about CCJ? Of course we can talk about CCJ. This is CCJ. What do you see? Nothing much, right? Sideways move. All this, sideways move. Breaking below this area. Look left. Resistance, support, support. Now breaking below, you will see 39. Below it, you will see 35. Long, in my opinion, only above 44. Look at this. Resistance, resistance. It was support. Above it, 46, 83. Short, below 41. Long, above 44. What else? Thank you very much, Yerushalmi. V for Iris. Iris, Iris. Whatever you want, I can call you. Iris, Iris. Let's put the FTI. What do we see? Let's put also here lines. Uptrend, but. Look at this. Uptrend, but. Bearish on the 65 on the 4 hours and on the daily. Why? Because we broke below second day in a row. We are below the uptrend channel. We are below the yellow zone. So your stop, if you don't have stop yet, if you're long, your stop should be just below the 276, in my opinion. This is what I would do. If you want to go long, only a weekly close above the 285, my 2 cents. And V, let's pick up the pace. Pan W, nothing much. Sideways move. Look at this. Since beginning of March, sideways move. Below the 276, short to the 262 and 245. Long only above, in my opinion, weekly close inside the yellow zone. And then we can start taking long slowly, slowly. This is Pan W. What else do we have? Now, ServiceNow Inc. Same as the rest of the market. But this one goes way back. Look, since beginning of 2024, beginning of January. Just sideways move. This is super, super no trading zone. No trading. If you try to trade higher lows, lower highs, nothing much. If you're already long, this should be your stop loss, the 760. Mixed signals on the time frame table, which means nothing much. But if you're already long on this one, your stop should be just below the 760, maybe 749. Let's see a weekly close above the 790, and then you will see 808 and 855. Hi, Avishai. Hi, Yossi. Thank you very much for joining. Yossi, can you analyze Tilray, cannabis sector? Yossi, I just posted this morning this video. Let me show you. I will show you. Today morning, this is the Hebrew version. This is the English version. I posted this morning about MSOS and the MJ, the cannabis sector. So check it out. Let's check Tilray. Tilray, uptrend, super bullish, long continuation above the 246, and then you will see 270 and 3 to the upside. Super bullish Tilray. Let's put an alert over here. Always put an alert so you won't miss the entry. Zscaler, nothing much. Since yesterday and since beginning of March, every day we analyze Zscaler. What do we see? Still under bearish sentiment on all time frames. The 4, the daily, the weekly, downtrend channel, 190 needs to hold. Otherwise, 173 and 152. MU and PayPal. Let's talk about MU. MU, super bullish. As you can see now, this area, in my opinion, the 109, together with this upper border of this uptrend channel needs to hold the support, retested the support, and then next leg up. Long continuation above the 122, you will see 131 and 143. Hot. Tomorrow, earnings coming up, so be careful, super careful. Hot. What do we see? The 10 area, super tough resistance, right? Super tough resistance. Long continuation above it, and then you will see 11, 12. But overall, we are in a downtrend, a monthly downtrend channel. So this line, together with the 11, will be super tough resistance unless tomorrow after earnings, market will like the earnings, and then we will pop above it towards the 1230 and maybe even 1362. Sorry. DJTW. What is DJTW? DJTW. This one. Are you sure? Or just this one? Avishai, let me know. CVS. Yeah, looking good. Above the 79, 74. You have 81, 70 and 84. Bullish on all time frames. Pretty good. CVS. Long until proven otherwise. OLED. What else do we have? OLED. Let's talk about OLED. Downtrend on the weekly. This is why we're bearish on the weekly. If you want to go long, weekly close above the 170 and you have mixed signals. You see bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish. Mixed signals. We don't like mixed signals. We like everything red or everything green. At least the 4 hours daily and weekly. We want all of them bullish or all of them, all these three, bearish. But if we have mixed signals, we do nothing. This is why we have this FTI tool. This is why I've developed this tool to help us make smarter, better decisions just with one click away. OLED, downtrend, I want to go long. No long, I want to go long. Okay, so wait for a weekly close above the 170. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. No problem, Yossi, no problem. Can Eliran, the Russell, yes, of course I can. The Russell, same every day. Check the links I just posted now in the chat. Every day I talk about the Russell in the stock market review, English and Hebrew. Russell struggling to stay above the yellow zone. Let's see. For now, I want to see at least 1 week above the 206. Russell did not manage to close above the 206 since April of 2022. 2 years. This area, the 205, 206, super tough resistance. Super tough. 2 years. So I want to see Russell 2000 closing week above it. PayPal. We are still long on PayPal. Yeah, we are still long. And when I say we, it's the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Make sure you join us if you want to become a better trader, if you want to be successful. And most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, let's be honest, we are here to make money. And this is why I opened this Discord, I think 1.5 years ago. We have a great community of traders. We have day traders, we have swing traders, we have options traders, we have crypto traders, and of course everything comes in English and everything comes in Hebrew. And if you're a student, past, present, future, also this course zone will be opened for you. So check the links in the description below. Join us today. Join us to the Fibonacci Traders Discord, an elite team of traders who help each other to make money. Not every day, but you don't need to trade every day. If we are day traders or swing traders, it doesn't mean we need to trade every day. There are some days we don't trade because first, we need to keep our money in our pocket. Don't lose the money. This is first. Second, we know and we help each other to identify the momentum in the market, to identify stocks for swings, stocks for day traders. So we help each other make money. Check the links in the description below and join us today. It starts 30 days from the minute. The subscription starts 30 days from the minute you join. You don't need to wait for the beginning of the month. PayPal, long continuation above the 67.90 towards 70, and then this gap will finally get filled. Bullish on all time frames. Hippo. What do we see? Bearish on the daily because the FTI identifies that we have here a very tough resistance. So it tells us, wait with your long position. But if you're already long, as long as we are above the 1650, you're good to go long. Long continuation above the 1830 towards 1976, 2555, and then 2380. Let's see, DJT. How can we analyze this? What is there to analyze? This is the 4 hours. Let's analyze it on the 65 minutes. Yesterday, look, went up, went down. Now, let's see if it can hold above the 60-60. Long, above the 69 towards 79, and then 92 and 108. Tip, small tip, stay away from this kind of stocks. Stay away. Stay away. Good morning, Lital. How are you this morning? ENZY. Inozyme Pharma. What's the volume on this one? Nice volume. Uptrend, long continuation above 726 towards 780 and 840 overall. Bullish sentiment. Very nice chart. Thank you very much. Looks like Nvidia is going down. Yeah, Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. You want to know to look at Nvidia? This is Nvidia on the 65 minutes. Here. Nvidia, 65 minutes. What do you see? Below the 297, we will see 204. By the way, yesterday in our Discord, we got the sell signal from the FTI. Short Nvidia. And the 15 minutes, it also gave us the stop loss. This is a channel, the FTI signals. The FTI gives us signals by itself. It's not me. It's him. It's all him. Now, it gives us the signal below the 937. It went all the way down to the 226 for day traders. Almost 10 points. Not bad. Short continuation below the yellow zone, below the 928 towards 916 and then 904. What else do we have? We talked about DJT. Avishai, stay away. Stay away from this. Why are you risking your money? Why? DJTW. It doesn't even give me. DJTW. This one. Trump Media Technology Corporation. Same. Stay away. Just stay away. Sorry, but I don't even want to analyze this. INZI we talked about. Hi David, how are you? DJT, we just talked about. I do not analyze this. Stay away. Hi Avi, thank you very much. Why are you AJD doesn't on? What do you mean? Ah, this one. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. For me, it doesn't really matter. I don't see any difference, in my opinion. So this is why it's not. 4. What do you mean 4? What do you mean 4, Shiran? BA for Amir. BA. This stock just keeps going down. Short continuation as long as you are below the yellow zone. Next you will see 183 and 177. Bearish on all time frames. Yes, you got yourself the bullish, this buy signal on the daily just because we jumped and bounced off the 177 inside the yellow zone. It doesn't mean we need to go long. It just means that if you are short on BA, it's time to manage your risk a little bit better. What about Reddit? Same thing. Tilray, we talked about. Iwaldma, we talked about Tilray just a few minutes ago. ML, Tilray, we talked about Tilray, Iwaldma. Please don't spam the chat. Reddit. What can we say about Reddit? Iwaldma, we talked about Tilray. Please don't spam the chat. Thank you very much. This is the 4 hours. Let's analyze Reddit on the 4 hours. Okay. You take Fibonacci. Swing low. You have a base over here to the swing high. Over here. How much is Reddit now? Reddit 0.8 to the downside. Pre-market. You have a gap over here. You want to go long? Wait for at least 4 hours above the 67, 65. Short below the 62 towards the 55. That's it. You want to day trade Reddit? No problem. Here you have FTI. What do you see? Reddit holding above the yellow zone. Breaking below, this gap will get filled, and then 60 and 56. You want to go long, wait at least 2 candles of 65 above the 68.30. Ewaldma, please stop spamming the chat. Thank you very, very much. Let's see futures. Futures trying to break. Nice. Let's see here. Trying to break this zone. This zone will be very tough. I want to see. Let's see the 2 hours above the 52.35 and then 52.40. Above 52.40, we will see 52.61. Adobe. Let's talk about Adobe on the daily. Not so pretty. You have mixed signals over here. If you want weekly close above the 523, then we can start taking Adobe slowly, long position towards this gap at the 568, but we need a weekly close above it. Until then, downtrend, bearish, until proven otherwise. Disney for Zorik, super nice uptrend until proven otherwise. The FTI, as you can see, it's calculating itself. And if my internet will work, which now it's working, as you can see, it calculates itself. Long continuation above yesterday's highs towards 123.85, 128. Overall, Disney bullish on all time frames. So once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate each and every one of you taking the time Just do me one last favor. This. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. That's it. This is all I ask. All the links for your financial freedom in the description below. Until the next video, until the next live. Stay safe.